In this video, I want to show you how to replace your low beam headlight bulb, so let's get started. And to do this, you can come in through the fender liner here, peel it out of the way, and you can see the low beam headlight bulb right there. So let's go ahead and unplug it, pry out on this little locking tab, pull the wiring harness down, and then turn it counterclockwise to unlock it, straight out, and here it is. As you can see on the back side of it, this is a 9006 bulb, so get yourself a new one and let's reinstall. Slide it into the headlight assembly, line up the little tabs, turn it clockwise until it stops. It clicks into place, sort of. It's not a very strong click, but you can feel it. And then take the wiring harness, plug it in, make sure this is clipped on and locked in. Put your fender liner back and then do a light check, make sure this works.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.